Yo, Dave, what's for lunch?
What we're doing is omelets.
We're making omelets. All right, we're switching up. We're going breakfast. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. Today we're joined by a very special guest. Actually, I think our biggest guest of the entire show, Dave Portnoy's in the kitchen. Dave, you're a busy guy. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, of course.
All right, today we're making omelets. So, do you cook? I mean, I feel like you don't cook that much.
No, I have a couple special dishes. I have Dave's famous garlic bread, Dave's famous stir fry, Dave's famous chicken cacciatore.
Okay,
Those are my three. Dave's famous grilled cheese. Yeah.
Grilled cheese.
Everything I do is famous.
Well, how often do you think you cook?
In the summer, I didn't put I kind of just I just grill fish almost every day. It's easy. Like I just put olive oil on it and go. So actually a decent amount.
Oh, that's great. I bet you get the best fish in Nantucket too.
Yeah, very fresh. Very fresh. I walk in and say, what did the fisherman just bring in? And that's what I go with.
All right, well, you have a lot of houses now. Which, out of all of them, what's the best? Which has the best kitchen? Are you a big kitchen guy?
Montauk is a spectacular kitchen.
Really?
Yeah, spectacular.
Do you have, like, at the level now where you have a chef come and cook for you?
No, you know, I've thought about it and I'd love it, but I don't like small talk. And it's like, I feel weird. Like, do you have to talk to the person when they're cooking?
No, I don't think so at all.
But then is it like rude?
No, I don't know.
It's like, I don't want to be friends with the chef, just like make me the food. So that's why I haven't done it.
All right, well, we'll get started on these omelets then. So omelets, thing with anytime you're doing eggs, it's just the lowest temperature is all you really need to get it going. Here, I got 3 eggs for you if you want to just whisk those up. And I'll do the same here. Before you were multi-millionaire, what was like your go-to food just to get by? Like what?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Spaghetti, get some chicken, cut it up, put it in there, keep it. That was kind of what my move was. Big spaghetti, grilled cheese guy at lunch.
Were you big, just like the same meal kind of for every?
Kind of the same way now, yeah. I eat the same stuff over and over.
Really? What's your go-to right now? Does it change?
Yeah, it changes. On the season, summer, it's the fresh fish, just with like corn, maybe a broccoli or asparagus, whatever they got. And then in the winter, for some reason when I go to Miami, I order a lot. I'll order like just bowls, like chicken bowls and things like that.
So we're going just a little olive oil, a little butter, and then we're gonna pour that egg right in. We'll go a little lower in the temp. And then with omelets, what you wanna do, so this is a little hot for mine. You wanna just kind of move it around, and what we're doing is you just scrape it and kind of pull and fill that space. So to get the really light, fluffy omelet, yeah, that's like the technique is just move it and then move the egg to fill the space. So scrape and pull. Yeah, you don't have to go that much. So now kind of like try to keep it so, I would now tilt your pan back so that all fills up. See where there's ever like a gap? Yeah, you want the egg there. That's perfect. So like up here, I'm gonna scrape. And then once it starts to set, see how quick that is? It's already pretty much set, and we can put it back down and go even lower on the heat. And then we go in with cheese right here. I have some fresh, this Colby Jack cheese. Do you like goat cheese? I'm gonna go.
To be honest, usually I don't even put the cheese in my omelet.
You don't do cheese?
Oh no, you bullied me. But it's a little bit. I'm not. It makes it harder to like wrap it, and I know that's an unusual thing not to have cheese in there.
You could have hit me with that before, but
no, you would.
All right, and then we have your fillings of choice. So we have peppers, and I have some mushrooms I sauteed there. So if you want to go in on yours with however much you want, okay. Peppers, onions. Do you have a best like all time? Have you ever been to any like super fancy restaurants, multiple courses? Is that your thing or not really?
It can be anything. Sometimes I get impatient for a meal like that. Weirdly, one of the first advertisers we ever had was Casino Montreal. And we went to like the Grand Prix, and I remember like a 9-course meal there. That was a lot. You know, my favorite thing is a nice omakase.
Oh yeah?
Love it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Love it.
Sushi especially too. It's like, and I like it because you don't get too full. Like you can eat a lot of sushi all night and you don't feel like you walk away going like,
place in Miami called Sushi Bar.
Sushi Bar?
Spectacular.
Have to check that out. So now we're taking it off the heat. We're done. The thing with eggs too is like they'll continue cooking off the heat. So when they're not even on the flame, eggs cook at such a low temperature that you take it off and just the residual heat from the pan keeps that going. But we're pretty much done here.
This is the hardest part.
This is the hardest part, but
the flip.
But this is the way I do it, and I'll show you. Like this is pretty much foolproof. You put it on the pan halfway, and you just go like that, boom, and you're done. Just try to give that a shake.
No, it's not coming off.
All right, then flip it. Then go. I know where it's stuck, so I'll get. It's gonna go. Trust me. It's gonna go. Yeah. Just it's gonna take a little bit more gusto. Yep. Now fold. Look at that. Hold on. No. What are you talking about? No. That's fun. What do you mean? That's good.
kind of a sloppy looking omelet, if we're being honest.
Well, it's about how it tastes, not really how it looks
Yeah.
all the time. That's how I would like. Do you like chives or anything to finish? Do you like anything on top? Knife. I'll take a couple. We're just gonna all we do, hold it like that. You get the best control. Take it so it's straight. Fingers like that, and then we're just gonna go. Yeah, that works too. That works too. Even perfect. And we take a couple of those, Dave. We finish off the omelet on top. All right, well, Dave, there are our omelets. We'll have a bite. I appreciate you coming on. I don't know if you remember this, but when I was an intern, I made you scallops. I tried to make you scallops live on air, and you spit it out. It was like the worst scallop you said you've ever had.
We got this guy, he started cooking. He has a home cooking business. He cooked me scallops yesterday. They were disgusting.
Gave it a 4. Is it Donnie's intern?
They were
named Donny,
undercooked,
which is-
potentially
it's the best. I
salmonella
love it.
situation.
He also
He's a Badger too. He's a smart kid.
I actually like him. He's the only one out of all the interns who waited one day for me to come outside. He's like, I want to be your guy. Whatever you want me to do, I'll do.
You also had
I don't remember that.
Yeah,
one.
I
I
don't-
do like
well,
scallops. Was it bad? It was really
It
bad.
was just undercooked. I was trying to cook it at the HQ2 at the office on like a hot plate.
That's a risky thing to
I
do.
know. It was Frank. He was like, yeah, he likes scallops, and then
I do like scallops,
Yeah, and
but-
then next time you're here for football season, when you're back, we'll do. I want to make you like a really nice, fancy scallop and get
So I have
redemption.
the other Donny was trying to invite himself over to my Nantucket house. They harvest the scallops right in front of my house. Literally like
Really?
right 20 feet in front. Yeah.
Damn, that's awesome.
Yeah.
But like, they'll give you some, where like you'll be able to get access.
No,
to
the people I bought the house with left all the equipment.
Oh, so you can get them
Yeah,
yourself. Oh,
yeah,
that's
you go get them
awesome.
yourself.
Damn, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Well, how's the taste? How's the
Pretty
flavor
good,
taste?
pretty good.
All right,
Tastes good.
Pretty good, guys. That's gonna do it for this episode of What's for Lunch, What's for Breakfast in this case. Dave, appreciate you being here. Thank you
Happy to
very
do
much.
it.
See
All
you
right,
next
see you
time.
guys.